Yes, my friends, I love you so much. Wherever you are, I will continue to teach you English. Yeah, today I'm going to create the video, the short video that is going to support you to be fluent in English. I'm telling you, you subscribe. After subscribing, you watch my video fully, you're going to see that there is a change in your mind. Guys, lesson number one, you have seen that it's to know more about the surroundings, means the people, animals, things surrounding us. You have to know how they call it in English. This should be lesson number one. Number two is going to be the memorization. You have to memorize. Memorization of what? Of pronouns. You have to know pronouns. By here, you have to take time, you memorize, you read and you reread. And you understand how to use them in the sentences, guys. The pronouns. The pronouns in English, they are 8. You have 8 pronouns in English you can find, guys. Pronoun number one is the personal pronouns. You have a personal pronouns object and a personal pronoun subject. Object means me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. These are the personal pronouns object. They are also personal pronouns subject. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Have to memorize by here, my friend. No one can support you to know this except to memorize. You have to memorize. To put in your mind these pronouns. Don't have any confusion about these pronouns because really they are fundamental. Guys, after personal pronouns, me, I, you, him, he, her, she, it, us, we, you, them, they. You have to memorize. When you memorize these personal pronouns, I'm telling you, they support you to start to begin learning English carefully. And you understand because you understand how to use them in the sentences. Me, I, you, him, he, her, she, it, us, we, you, them, they. When you memorize them, it means that you not have the confusion while speaking to the English speakers. Because when you are communicating, when you're conversing with the best English speakers, they come quickly in your mind, okay, guys. Get confident. Can you imagine, you did primary, secondary, university, college, and you want to learn this simple language, this English. Memorize the pronouns. Personal pronouns, object and subject. We have 2 types of personal pronouns. Me, I, you, him, he, her, she, it, us, we, you, them, they. You try to memorize them like I did, like I made. You're going to see what is going to happen. Me, I study English. You study English. Him, he studies English. Her, she studies English. Us, we study English, you study English, them, they study English. You see, these are the personal pronouns. You know personal pronouns? Wow. Congratulations. If you know personal pronouns, this is a basic skill that is going to support you, that is going to lead you to be the best English speaker. We are trying to find out what happened to you that made you unable to speak English. You speak English confidently, you know the pronouns. This is pronoun number one, personal pronoun. Me, I, you, him, he, her, she, it, us, we, you, them, they. Yes, I'm reminding you because I know the primary, secondary, university, and everywhere you reach it. You studied them, but you despised them. That's why you failed to communicate to the English speakers. You like this video, you share it with the others. You remember to leave a like and a comment on my videos. Bye-bye. See you next time.